Hi everyone, Tim Brown once again, and we are now exploring how to record video inside iMovie. So when you're in a blank document, you have the camera icon right in front of you. You just select that camera icon and it opens up a camera view. And the most important thing you have to consider when you are recording on your iOS device, especially an iPad. So I'm doing that right now. And if I mess up and decide to go over here and start talking to you this way, then it's going to look pretty awkward. Why? Because you need to be looking at the audience you're talking to. And the reason why you may slip up is because you forget where the camera is. So the recording button is in this direction, but the actual camera itself is in this direction. So I should be looking at this camera the entire time I'm talking to you. And that's what you have to do when you are recording yourself and you're planning to put yourself inside your video projects. That's really one of the main things to consider. Another thing to consider too, just like with audio narrations, you can choose the option to add a lightning port external microphone, or external microphone with a lightning port. Will help out. This one comes with the iPhone, as I mentioned earlier, or you can try even using some other types of recording devices like the one I have on now, for example, which is a wireless microphone. It's the Comica CVM WS50. It has one component that clips onto me right here and another component that clips onto my mount that I have my iPad on. So, oh yeah, the most important thing too is to make sure that the camera is eye level, so you're not looking up or looking down while you're recording. That's the main thing. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Once it comes inside the iMovie project, then you can begin adding all the other elements that you just learned about, like text and soundtracks and so forth.